Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gunjan and you're watching Travels with Sharma.
I imagine we fell in love on the winter moonlight skies with you. I think I'll picture us here with the waves.
It's a jewelry haul today. I'm doing something different out of what all I do, such as skincare, body care, clothes haul. But I thought why not to do some accessory here. I think last time मैंने जब कुछ ऐसा किया था वो एक aesthetic haul किया था of Meesho, which you guys have loved. So मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना एक accessory haul किया जाए because I've been shopping for some jewelry and accessory. मैं actually इतना ध्यान देती नहीं हूँ jewelry accessories पे. मैं ज़्यादा इतना ध्यान देती नहीं एक्सेसरी पे, but I feel like sometimes I should add something on my hands or even a ring, and also should also look after some good earrings that goes well with the outfit. So I am focusing on that right now. It's my accessory phase in weddings. So let's get started. We'll be starting up with some earrings. So first I have one of the best earring of this haul, with which I'm starting this video, is this particular. I feel like these are the most elegant and a type of earring that goes well with your traditional or even with a classy outfit, I believe. So these are the ones that I got from Myntra, and oh my god, I just love this peacock pattern and the green thing going on. So this is how they look right now, and I feel like they just add that attention. And I think these earrings are something which is so different. This is one of those different and unique kind of earrings that I have. Next I have these particular earrings. So I thought why not to have a blue earrings, because I have a blue outfit and I don't really have any such earrings that goes with that particular outfit. I was a little confused whether to get a gold one or a blue one, so I thought why not to get a detailing of something like that. But when I got this, I feel like the quality is little low and these earrings are not looking good on me. Also, they have too much things going on, so I was not getting the vibe. I feel like they are more of a Navratri vibe kind of a thing. I can actually feel that the quality is bad, so I'm probably returning it. So I'm not wearing these. I got this one from Meesho. Next up, I have these particular dangle earrings, which I personally believe looks better on me than the round earrings. This is how they look right now, and I've already tried them. These are one such earring that I feel like could go with an outfit with golden work, whether the outfit color is pink, blue, red or anything. This has this rose gold work and a shiny mirror work. This is also that statement and classy kind of earring that I can actually wear with a sari. These earrings are also something that I'm loving and I'm looking forward to wearing them. By the way, this one I also got from Meesho. So the quality of this one is actually good. Next up, I have another earring from Meesho only. I have these statement earrings for small occasions like Haldi Mehndi, where I could easily add a small pair of earrings. So when I ordered them, I thought they will be little bigger in size, but they turned out to be so mini and I loved it. When I wore this, I was actually liking them when I wore them for the first time. And this is how they are looking, so cute. Then I've also got two bracelets. So this is from the brand called Jewels Galaxy. It is actually quite famous on Instagram. I've seen it all over, and it was also available on Meesho. So I just got it from Meesho again, and the quality, I have to say, is too good. I have to say this is where like build quality is also good, and the shine and everything. I don't really like wearing bangles, so I thought why not to get something like this, which also looks classy and is perfect for any traditional outfit. So this one I really loved. And I have this particular bracelet which I got delivered today only. But the moment I opened it, I felt like the quality is quite low. It is very delicate, first of all. The rose gold color is actually coming out of this bracelet, and that's when I know that I have to return this particular piece. Let me show you how it looks on my hand. It fits, you can fit it accordingly. So this is how it looks like. It is not looking that bad, but because of the quality, I will probably be returning this. I was thinking of getting another from the same brand, which is Jewels Galaxy. and we are returned. This one is again from Meesho. Next up, I've got a neck piece. I usually don't go with neck piece because I felt like I don't really enjoy wearing neck piece, but there has been this particular design which has been trending all over. I will add a piece of it. I've seen the earrings and everything, but I found the locket in this design and I was like, I have to get this because the chain was also looking good, and to my surprise, the quality of this product is actually very good. Even the chain is long, so let me show you all how it looks like. I've loved it. Just look at this. I feel like the length of this neck piece is so perfect. It is not too long and not too short. That's what I wanted. But you also have this adjustable chain with this, so you can just make it little small also. The best part has been this particular design, which I loved it. So I'm probably wearing in one of the functions. This is the neck piece that I believe I could wear for my casual outings and also for the wedding festivities. This has been an amazing purchase, again from Meesho. Next up, we have a neck piece from this brand called Rubans. I actually came across this brand through Instagram again. I actually like the neck piece they have, which is this one. Just look at the color. I feel like this emerald green color looks very good. They have similar kind of earrings only. I could not find those earrings. This is how it looks like. Such a stunning piece. I just love it. I love those minimal detailing, but it still highlighting because of those green emerald thing. So along with neck piece and earrings, we also get this ring. Then I have this particular ring, which I believe if I wore it, then I don't need a bracelet in my hand because this alone looks so astonishing. I love it. This one, I am not sure from where I got this. Again, I wore this ring so many times. And I got a hair accessory. I was really not planning on getting anything for my hair because I usually keep them like open or either like this. So I was like, let's get a good clutcher. Just look at the detail. I love it. Even the grip is so small, ideal for my hair because my hair is not thick, so it can probably grasp. Let me just show you all. And this is how it looks like. Then I've got another set of clutchers, which is for my mother and me, but they turned out to be so massive, so they won't be ideal for my hair. So we've got 3 designs. All 3 of them are so massive that they could not grasp my hair. The quality is good, not that bad. They're basic plastic, but in a decent quality, I would say. So yeah, these are all the things that I have got, accessory and jewelry items for this wedding season. And this wedding season is actually not ending. Weddings which I am about to attend now in December are of my close friends. So उनकी शादी में थोड़ा बहुत accessories तो लगेगी, थोड़ा अच्छा तो लगना ही पड़ेगा, उसके लिए ये सब लिया है. बाकी you guys have to stay tuned with my channel and subscribe कर लो because बहुत ही amazing से vlogs आने वाले. अब I have been missing vlogs. पूरा शादी में vlog करने वाली हूँ बिकॉज हमारे बेस्ट फ्रेंड की भाई की शादी है. देन नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में करने वाली हूँ मेरी फ्रेंड की, विच इज़ अ मराठी वेडिंग दैट आई एम अटेंडिंग फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम. तो दोनों वीडियोज़ काफ़ी धमाकेदार होने वाले हैं. सो आई एम श्योर यू गाइज विल इन्जॉय दोज. सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब, अभी के भी सब्सक्राइब कर लो और नोटिफिकेशन बटन भी ऑन कर लो ताकि क्विक अपडेट्स आते हैं ऑफ ऑल द शॉर्ट्स एंड ऑफ ऑल माई लॉन्ग फॉर्म वीडियोज. सो स्टे ट्यून. थैंक यू सो मच वॉचिंग. इफ यू guys have watched it till here, bye, love you all.